Okay, so I'm just gonna show what this sensor looks like when set up. It's basically an Arduino inside with a wireless transceiver, and the sensors are just kind of poking through holes in the box. So you can see. I'm gonna set this down, open it up. So you can see that there's the wireless transceiver, and there's the Arduino with the prototype. Okay, so this is a video demo of a Arduino with a bunch of sensors connected to it, and it's communicating through a gateway to OpenHAB, which is being displayed on this tablet. First, we have this light sensor. You can see that the light is on. If I turn off the lights, you see the light goes off. I'm going to turn the light back on, and you see the light goes on. Okay, so next I'm going to turn on enable the alarming for a gas and smoke sensor, flame sensor, a bark sensor, and a presence sensor. So I'll just do that here. Okay, so all those alarms are enabled. So I'm just going to set off the bark sensor by speaking loudly into the sensor here. Woof, woof. Okay, that's the bark sensor. So I could use that to notify me when the dog is barking and I'm not at home. I should also get an email that the bark sensor went off. So if I check my email and refresh, there it is. It says bark detected, dog barked. Okay, so that was at 6:08. And if I go back to OpenHAB, you can see that the timestamp for the bark sensor is at 6:08. Okay, so next I'll show you, let's see, we'll do the, here there's also a presence movement sensor here. So that was enabled and it just went off just now. So you can see that went off at 6:08 also. And if I check my email, there's that PIR detected sensor. So I will go back to OpenHAB, and next we have two more sensors to do. We'll do this gas and smoke sensor. So this is a sensor for flammable gas. I'm just going to set it off using this lighter here. There we go. So you see the gas and smoke sensor alarm went off, and the timestamp got updated at 6:09. So that's that time. And we also should have gotten an email. Let me refresh. There's that email notification for the gas and smoke sensor. Okay, Lydia, hang on. Alright, the last sensor is this flame sensor. I gotta make this quick. So the alarm is enabled, but there's no alarm. And there's the flame sensor alarm. And if I check my email, there's that email notification that there's fires detected at 6:10. So you see the flame sensor alarm timestamp is at 6:10. So there we've gone through all the sensors and notifications. Okay, I forgot a couple of small details in my last video. I'm going to re-enable the bark notifier, and then I'm going to bark into the sensor. Woof woof. There we have, the alarm went off. So I got an email just now when the alarm went off. Let's say I have a video camera on my dog and I checked that, yeah, he's doing fine, there's nothing wrong. I could re-enable the bark alarm by clearing it using this button. So the alarm went away, but the alarm is still enabled. So the next time the dog barks again, I should be able to receive another email notification. And I also forgot to show you the temperature sensor on the last video. That's this thing right here. You can see that the temperature sensor and the humidity coming from the same sensor is being reported here. So it's 78.8 degrees and 45% humidity.